Uh-oh. Okay. Now listen up. I have sang this song before, and yes, I will get a copyright claim. But this is one of those songs that just came to me, and I just said, "Man, I'd like to sing this again." And this song just hit that spot. So, and there's another one that I want to do, and these songs are especially for my new BFF. And this is for you. Hopefully, I don't wake up my mom. So. Sister Christian, now the time has come, and you know that you're the only one to say, okay. What you are and what you're looking for. You know those boys don't wanna know you, and you. It's true. Motoring, what's your price to fight? Mighty Mr. Right, be alright tonight. Where you going up so fast? Mama's married in the alas, let it pass. Sister Christian, not so much in life. Don't you give it up before your time is due. It's true. True. Ooh, yeah. Ordering. What's your price to fight? And finding Mr. Right. Falling through the night. Messed up. The motoring. What's your price to fight? Finding Mr. Right. To be alright tonight. Hi, Margie TV. Willy Bonita. Tweety, my loves. Motoring. What's your price to fight? And finding Mr. Right. To be alright tonight. Krisha. Well, motoring. What's your price to find? And finding Mr. Right. You'll be alright tonight. Bum, bum. Sister Christian, the time has come, And you know that you're the only one to say, okay. But you're motoring. Yeah. Motoring. And Moody Gucci Coggin said, "Don't sing that song to me." So, fine. I don't do that no more. I said, bye bye. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Thumbs up. Thumbs down, thumbs down, thumbs down. Thumbs this way. More songs coming up next time.